What's up guys, it's Matty McTech back with some more website secure boredom. These are gonna be parts 31 through 40 of my TikTok series. So stay tuned and I'm gonna show you tons of free games that you can play directly in your browser. Let's get straight into it. All right, the first game we're gonna check out is called GeoFS. Now, if a Microsoft Flight Simulator was like Drake, then this would probably be like a SoundCloud rapper, but it's still pretty fun. I haven't tried out the beta yet, so we're gonna give that a try. Oh my god, that is so loud. I'm gonna have to mute that. I had to mute the sound, but just pretend like there's like aircraft noises in the background. But yeah, what you can do on this game is you can pick an aircraft. Let's pick a cool one. Oh, I see it. I see it. We're going with the ho-ho-ho. And then you can pick a location. I'm gonna go, let's do on the runway in Pisa, Italy. Why is it already turning? Okay, well, we're just going to reset the location here. All right, whatever. We're not going to be on the runway, but yeah, this is basically Microsoft Flight Simulator, but using like Google Maps. As you can see, there's no real buildings around. And let's get in the air. There we go. Hit up that altitude. Oh, I'm mute for this. Oh. Wait, what happened to my, what is this? Am I just breaking the game already? All right, I had to change planes, but I think we're finally gonna get liftoff here if I remember how to do it. And you can see like there's other players in the game with you. They're all named Foo for some reason. Yeah, you can basically fly around. Let me get in the air real quick. Level it out. Come on, come on. Oh, wait. Okay, there we go. All right, now we're in the air after forever. And let's see if I can do any tricks. Oh, look at this. Okay. Okay, come on. Just I'm a beast. Just imagine if you were in this plane right now, like me doing this. Okay, well, and we're done. All right, this next game's a little bit more my speed. It's called the higher or lower game. It relies just on pure knowledge of the internet, which, I mean, come on. There's a reason you're following me right now. It's because I have the most knowledge about the internet ever. But yeah, you can read the instructions right here. All you're doing is just guessing what gets Googled more during a month based on 2017 data. So was that 5 years ago? Got to think a while back, but I was born by then, right? Yeah. We're going to play the classic version. All right, and the object of the game, like I already said, is you guess which one gets Googled more. So American Idol got Googled 550,000 times. I don't think there's a chance it beats Grand Theft Auto though. There's too many Zoomers on the internet right now Googling like Grand Theft Auto 5 cheats, so this has got to be higher. Yeah. Schindler's List, I mean, look, it's in black and white. No one watches that anymore. That's in the past. It's got to be lower. Lockerbie bombing? I'm just going to say lower without saying anything else because I don't know what that is. Yeah. Okay. AT&T. This might be the all-time highest Googled thing ever. People just Googling AT&T, not working, AT&T crap. Gotta be higher. Yeah. 7. So far the highest we've had. Did I even show this? I might have to blur this out. We're gonna say lower though. Jaguar E-Type. Lower. Yep. We're getting the high score. We're getting the high score. I feel it. David Copperfield. Everyone's trying to go see his magic. Gotta be higher. Oxfam. Just some kind of European thing. If it ain't American, then I don't want to hear about it. Okay, it's a tie. Baltimore Orioles. I mean, they're trash, but it's probably still higher. Yeah. Ed Sheeran. Easy. Unilever. Don't know what it is. Gotta be lower. Probably another European thing. Okay, like, are they just trying to demonetize me right now? Okay, we lost it on this one. I don't know if I can even show that. 23 though. I almost doubled my high score in that one run. Haven't played this game in months, but if you can beat 23, let me know in the comments below. And don't lie either, because liars are not permitted. All right, this next game, I guess you could say, is called Pink Trombone. Don't ask me how they got the name. I have no clue. And just be prepared what you're about to listen to. Yeah, so what it is, it's a simulation of a human vocal tract. And you can change the tune by, I guess, doing different things. Like, we can change the pitch down here. We can mess with the tongue control. This acts like your tongue. Okay, there we go. We can hear now. I'm just choking my guy right now so we can hear.
Ask the child if he or she is choking.
Are you choking? Are you choking?
All right, yeah, I don't even have anything to say though. Why'd I do that? But you can just come in here, mess around, try to make different noises. Oh, this is like what sleep apnea is, isn't it? Then you can make a Dr. Disrespect if you want. Oh, you can just turn that off too. Yeah, so there's a bunch of different stuff you can do here. Try to make different, maybe you can make them talk, I don't know. But it will maybe contains your boredom for like 2 minutes until you get bored of it. All right, the next game we have is Human Benchmark. And what this is just like a series of tests where you can compare yourself to other humans that have taken the test. And I'm just gonna warn you, if you looked at the leaderboard, you'll probably see me up there, even though I haven't done every one of them, but give me enough time and I'll be up there. Just watch. I'm not gonna try all of them, but we'll start off with the aim trainer so you can see how well I play CSGO. Might be useful if anyone does play FPS games. Hit 30 targets as quickly as you can. All right, easy. Wait, can I just miss them on purpose and just click everywhere? Okay, now we're on a roll. We're on a roll. All right, missed a couple there. I gotta be like top 5 right now though. 390? What is that? Okay, I think these scores are a little off. That should be way higher. I gotta warm up my arm. All right, then you can do like a reaction time. It should just, okay. When the red box turns green, click as quickly as you can. All right. Oh. No. All right, that was the warm-up one. 230. Dude, what? Oh my god, I'm getting too old. One more try. Okay, we'll end on that one. Try to beat that score. If you can beat that score, then you are just a god gamer. All right, now we are going to test how well you know your companies. All right, first just go to Google and type in draw logos from memory and hit enter. Then you should click the first link. It's gonna take you to neil.fun. And now, just like the game says, you're gonna have to draw these logos from memory, starting off with McDonald's. I mean, this might be one of the most iconic logos of all time, right? I'm gonna get this completely wrong, but it's just like an M, like that, I think. Maybe it's like more Archie. I'm not going to go through all of them because I don't want to spoil the game for you, but let's see if we got it right. I mean, okay, this thing goes all the way down. I didn't realize that, but that's pretty close. Let's just do one more to show it off. Let's find a more harder one. More harder? Is that even a word? Words? Amazon, Pepsi, no, Twitter, Snap, NASA. That'd be impossible. Oh, here we go. Google. See, okay, you can click down here to get all the colors you need. Obviously, McDonald's, all you needed was yellow. I was just on the Google page. Well, I want to say it starts off with red. We're just gonna go with G. Oh, unless they mean like the big G. No, we're just gonna do the word. No, it's not red. It's blue, isn't it? We're gonna cover that up with blue. Then yellow. Then red. Then green. Then yellow again. I don't know. Then blue again. I don't know. If we got one color right, I'll be happy. I'm gonna fill this in. Oh! Okay, I was completely off. I don't know why I said oh. I got the first color right though. The 2 G's are blue. And then I mixed up the... Okay, I mean, that's pretty good though. I mixed up the 2 O's. All right, but yeah, you can... There's plenty more to find out, to figure out, so go give it a try. All right, and this next one we have is called Paint.wtf. Paint.what the F? I don't know. But that's the URL. And what you do is you try to convince the AI that you are the best artist. And what that means is you can pick one of these prompts right here. Usually it has like daily prompts. I don't see them right now. I don't know why, but in previous times I've played this game, there have been there. But what you can do is just pick from one of these prompts, or you can see all the past prompts. I'm gonna pick one that I actually might have a chance in, and then I'll explain the rules. I'm gonna go with best drawings of an exploding pig. And once you choose a prompt, it'll bring up this canvas, and all you have to do is just try to convince the AI that you have drawn an exploding pig. Luckily for me, I've watched a lot of Bob Ross in the past, so I probably will win this one. First, let's start off with the head. That's a big head. Add a body. Nice. Draw some arms and hands, or whatever they're called.
This little piggy went surfing.
I mean, this is just like, this is a pig if I've ever seen a pig. I don't know what pigs' ears look like. I think they look something like that, right? Oh, actually, no, dogs eat pigs' ears, don't they? I think it's that. I mean, this ear's kind of messed up, but it'll work. And now I'll just add a bomb here. Oh my, might be the best art I've ever done in my life. Now we just need some fire. Oh yeah, here's the fire. The fire probably could use a little work, you know. Bob Ross never drew fire in his paintings. All right, pretty good. And then once you're done, actually no, that we're missing one thing. Can't forget the tail. There we go. All right, now once you're done, just hit submit and it should upload it. And then it's going to give you a score on your drawing. Let's see. I just want to be in like the top 100. Hey, 474 out of 22,000? That's not bad. That's not bad at all. You can also go down to the leaderboard and look at their drawings. So you pick the number one. I mean, if you have to write out what you're drawing, then it's not a good drawing. Like my pig was 10 times better than this. I'm reporting it. All right, next on our list, we have littlealchemy.com. Now, I already showed you how to become a virtual Bob Ross, but let's take it one step further, and I'm going to show you how to become a virtual Heisenberg / Walter White.
Say my name.
Oh, I just remembered. I got the perfect shirt on for it. And before I show you Little Alchemy, I should tell you that there is a Little Alchemy 2, but for some reason, most people prefer this game. So we're just going to stick with the original. And the object of this game is just to make as many elements as you can with what you have on the right-hand side. So for instance, if I combine earth and water, we get mud, water and fire, we get some steam, and you can see it builds up on the right-hand side. And if you stick to the end, I will show you how to create something huge. So I haven't gotten too far in this game, so I'm just going to try to make different things. Like, oh, we got brick now. Okay. We could probably build some kind of house maybe if we do brick and brick. Yeah, build a wall. Hell yeah, brother. We build a bigger wall? No. What about multiple? Oh, there we go. We got a house now. I got the perfect thing we can make. I just need to clear the board. Watch this. All right, here we go. I'm about to be the Gordon Ramsay of elements right here. Watch this.
What are you?
An idiot sandwich.
Air and earth. Boom, we got some dust. Keep that over there. Now we need some fire and air. Energy, E equals MC squared. Now fire and dust, boom, gunpowder. We know what we're going to use that for in a second. Don't try this at home, but gunpowder and fire. Bang. And with these two ingredients combined, we can make... Wait for it. Oh! All right, that was kind of anticlimactic, but there's like hundreds of different things you can make on here. So go waste hours of your time and accomplish nothing. All right, this next website we have is kind of strange. I'm assuming most people are on Windows right now, and you know, you got Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows Vista, Windows XP, but not a lot of people know about the secret Windows that Microsoft created, Windows 93.net. And if you go to this website, it's going to offer you a bunch of applications that you've probably never seen before. And it acts like an actual operating system. So if we double click on this, we can go in the file system. I have no clue what's in here. I'll be honest, I haven't tried all these out yet. I think this is just like a little paint. So rip, you know, paint and actual Windows, but at least you got it on Windows 93 again. We got totally not a virus. Trust me, I'm a dolphin. I think we're going to click on that one last. Solitude, what is this? I mean, I used to be the best at solitaire. Why do I feel like this is not going to be actual solitaire though? No, I think this is just actual solitaire. I mean, everyone knows how to play solitaire by now. Corgi glitch? Oh no, come on. How do I stop this? Okay, we gotta refresh it. Brian Sweeper. Okay. These people are just trying not to get sued now. What if? What if what? What if the blue pill will give you an erection lasting up to 4 hours? Okay. We're gonna leave on that one. Half-Life 3? Gaben's been lying to us this whole time. Half-Life 3's been out. Confirmed. Now we just gotta wait for it to load. Browsing slowed more RAM. And oh, okay. How do I gotta restart again? It's time to try the virus. Or actually, not a virus, just a dolphin. We're gonna try it. I mean, that'd be kind of a cool virus if I had it on my computer, to be honest. Shut down. And the next one I'm going to show you, you might have already seen before if you've watched a couple of my previous videos, but it's going to require you to go to Google and type in Tyrone Unblocked Games and hit enter. And we're going to click on the first link. It's going to look like a Google site, which is why it's going to be unblocked for you. And now you can either go down on the left-hand side or just scroll down the middle and you'll see tons of games that you can play directly in your browser. And just to prove it to you, I'm going to try one right now. Look, I didn't buy this mouse for $150 to not show off my 1v1 FPS skills, so we're going to try this game out. Never played it before. Yeah, I don't need to know the instructions. Let's just throw me in the match with someone. 1v1. Oh, this is like Fortnite. Oh no. There's a reason I quit Fortnite. I was tired of building. Oh my god. Is this guy even in the game? Okay. My mouse is off the screen. Why is my mouse? Okay. I can't end on that one. Oh, you can build all you want. Oh, dude, why does my game do this? Whatever. I couldn't even get it into full screen. My mouse is jumping all over the map, and this guy still lost to me. Like, he's just bad, or I'm just the greatest. All right, I'm gonna give one chance at co-op. One more chance. I've tried this before, and I've been awful at it, so we'll give it one more try. All right, Q. P. I just want to get like 1 meter. That's a high score. Let's go. And this last one is going to tell you some things you never knew about yourself. And it's going to require you to go back to Google and type in life stats, then hit search. And we're going to click on the first link again. And you're going to enter in your birthday. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I know many of you thought I was probably like 15 years old, but I'm actually 32. Same birthday as Taylor Swift, by the way. You can confirm that on Google. A lot has happened in the 11,000 days since you were born. Oh my God. I'm old. Heart's beaten over 1 billion times. I have a pretty low resting heartbeat, so I think this isn't accurate, but my resting heartbeat's like 40 something. I don't know if that's healthy. I've taken a lot of breaths. This is way longer. Trust me, buddy. I've slept actually lately I've been getting like 4 hours of sleep, so that's not good. World's more crowded. $1 in 1989 is the equivalent of $2 today. Thanks, Obama.
Thanks a lot, Obama. Thanks, Obama.
S&P is up 912%. I don't know if this is accurate because if you've been paying attention to the stock market, it's not looking too good right now. 16% of more people have access to electricity. Not if you're in Texas, all right? Texas, we struggling with the electric grid right now. Oh, I still have a long way to go. Oh, that's wholesome. Who knows what else will happen in your lifetime? Well, hopefully, this is a good segue, is that the people that are watching this video right now in my lifetime will hit the like button and subscribe. And this is the end of the video, so if you haven't already, like I said, hit the like button and subscribe and follow me on everything else. Other than that, we out.